She just called the fire department. It's going off right now. That's Collingdale she just called. Goes another one. 2 more just went off. 2 today. That's like what, 14 today? Collingdale, 1 behind. 3. Look at that. You can hear it. My ex-girlfriend doing it. Told you. There's no fire. Then you should be talking about this shit. She called this Collingdale and I guess Goodwill or something like that. Someone, 2 McDade. And she called the paramedics twice today. And that's the other one on Chesapeake. She called Nord like 4 times today. All false alarms, dummies. And you just want to bully me. I'm getting in trouble for one user saying stupid shit to me, saying I need mental help. YouTube responds to me, bullying. You're bullying me, you dumb fucks. You're the one saying shit to me, saying I need mental health. There's no fire every day. You just don't realize that shit. You want to call me mental? Oh, you're bullying me. Now I'm going to sue YouTube for what you're doing to me. And that's a huge lawsuit, and you will get in trouble. That will definitely make the news. Damn criminals.